Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be talking about the Botfolio today. So I know a lot of you are interested in Botfolio. We've been getting a lot of good feedback from it. This is just 16 of our strategies that Botfolio trades, and there is about 22 total. Okay, so this isn't including every single strategy or every single bot. There's about 3 NASDAQ bots that are in here, some Bitcoin bots, and some more. Okay, so about 22 total. Okay, each thing you're seeing on the chart here is a unique strategy, okay, that trades your live account. Now remember, Botfolio trades live cash accounts only, like $25,000 plus. Okay, the more capital, the more investment, more return you'll see on your investment. Okay. Now I showed this on the live stream this morning, and I'm gonna show it right here. Okay. So here we go. Boom. 59% returns in the last 12 months with Botfolio, okay? And there is a lot of different strategies here, okay? We have 16, as I've mentioned. You can scroll all the way down. 16 on the chart, 22 total, so there's not all of them in here, okay? And they all have very beautiful equity curves, okay? If we look at one of our ES ones called, Velocity here, this one has made $300,000 in the past 13 years. So these are all charts from 2012 to current. So 12 to 13 years of data. Okay. So in 300,000, this one, 50,000, this one, 100,000, this one, 270,000, this one, 200,000, this one, 160, this one, 50, this one, 130. And we have an ES1 down here. Let me find it. This one, a Storm, that has made over $500,000 since 2012. Okay. Now, let's do this. Okay, so let's do this. Let's get this back going. Okay, so if we click, we can see 16. This is kind of a run through of the software, right? It takes 10 minutes per day at most. Okay, on Sundays you would boot everything, reboot everything, clear your cache, set everything back up. Takes maybe 30 minutes. Okay, then the rest of the week these bots run 24/7. The rest of the week all you do is check in the morning around 8:30 Eastern, make sure your bots all say true, and all this means is that if the strategy's long one, you are long one. That's it. If it says false, you match them. Okay. And then at night, when the market reopens at 6 p.m. Eastern, you would log on, check for a couple minutes, make sure they all say true. Okay, that's it. 5-10 minutes a day. Okay, and on the charts here, you can see everything's automated. And we're going to pull up some of the charts here. Okay, so this, we can look at performance summary. So this ES strategy has made $129,000 total. This is trading one mini contract. All these are trading one mini contract. Okay. So obviously divide it by 10 if you're going to trade one micro. So you'd be trading micros with this if you're anywhere under like $250,000 of capital. Okay. And now remember that these bots do require like $25,000 minimum. Okay. But remember, that's like if you have $100,000 invested, you might take a small portion of that and put it on these bots for a higher return. Okay. A higher chance of return, a little less drawdown risk compared to the market, right? These bots are built not to have more than a 15 to 20% drawdown, while the market has pulled back upwards of 40, 50% at times in big dips, right? So this strategy, 129,000, okay? You can see the performance chart right here. Beautiful, right? And you can click on all these performance chart for this crude oil strategy, 50,000, and there is 11 long strategies, 5 short strategies in this. Okay, so and again, if we click on periodical returns, we can see the last like 10 to 12 years of data, right? So you can see all the years here. This ES strategy, right? Last year, last 12 months, negative 0.7%, but look at 2023, made 16%, 2022 made 19%. You can keep going through, right? And some of these strategies, this one made 7% in the last year. Just this GC gold. Okay. Some of these haven't taken trade in the past year. Okay. This one, 4.5%. This one, 11.9% on this gold strategy in the last 12 months, right? And you can see all the entries and exits on the charts here. This is all pulled directly from Tradestation. You can see everything on the chart, okay? This ES strategy, 2%, this gold strategy, 9.4%. So gold is one of our top performing strategies or instruments, I should say. Okay, each one of these charts is a unique strategy. Some trade reversions, some trade breakouts, momentum, everything. There's whole tons of stuff, okay? This strategy, 4.8%, 3%, and you can just keep scrolling through, right? And see, look at this strategy. This gold strategy has not had a red year ever since 2012. 13%, 16%, 10%, 13%, 15%, made 7% last year. This is by a year, right? Beautiful. Not every strategy is going to be green, right? This ES strategy, 14% last year. So just this one chart right here outperformed the markets. I actually don't know how much the market made last year, but we can actually Google that. Let me Google that while we have this up. So what did the S&P 500 return in 2024? So the S&P did return 23% in 2024. So quite a bit, right? But this 14% and 7%, that matched market. So these two strategies pretty much matched the S&P 500, while the NASDAQ returned 29%. These bots right here made 59%. Okay, and these are only including 16. Okay, that doesn't include the other 6 that are very high return strategies. Okay, so we're looking at all together 70 to 80% returns plus for 2024. Okay, and again, you can see all the graphs right here. Really, really nice. Load up this one. Yeah, you can see almost 500,000. This is live as of now, right? Again, some short, some long, really smooth equity curve. So, right. So this is Botfolio. I wanted to give everyone a sneak peek. Okay, it's gonna look something like this. You only check it 5-10 minutes a day, right? And then on Sundays, you just do a reset before the market opens, and that's it, guys. That's it. You can see we're in a long trade on ES right now. This is from a while ago, though. We got entered somewhere over here. Yeah. So this is from the 12th. So we've been in this trade for 5 days, but we're up currently. The strategy's up 4K on one ESCon. Okay. So sneak peek into Botfolio. Okay. And again, we can do this. Okay. All the strategies on this sheet. I am not going to link a sheet to this yet. I'm going to get a full sheet of everything soon in the coming weeks. But I will start a waitlist for this probably in a month. Okay, if you're interested in it, leave a comment down below saying, I don't know, say money. Okay, say money in all caps if you're interested down below. But yeah, great returns. I'm excited for Botfolio. Excited for that group. It will be a private group. Everything in Timeless will stay the same. Besides that, guys, leave any comments, questions, concerns down below, and I'll see you later.